Hello everyone, I am Ayush Bhardwaj and I welcome you all to this Flutter study jam. Whether you are completely new to coding or looking to expand your tech stack, today is all about diving into one of the most exciting framework in industry right now, that is Flutter. Now let's get started with it. Before we jump into the codes, here is a quick roadmap of what we will cover today. We will start with a brief introduction of what is Android development, and then we will break down what Flutter actually is and explore Dart language that powers it. We'll also take an objective look at some alternative to Flutters and why Flutter is more advantageous, and check out some massive real world apps that are built using Flutter. And finally, walk through how to set up your own environment so you can start building. To understand where Flutter fits in, we first need to look at app development broadly. At its core, it's the process of creating software that runs on devices, whether that's smartphone, tablet, or traditional computers. Traditionally, this means writing separate codes for separate platforms, using Kotlin or Java for native Android, Swift for iOS, building progressive web apps for browser, or writing specific code for Windows, macOS, and Linux desktop apps. It means maintaining multiple code bases, which takes a lot of time and resources. That brings us to Flutter. What is it? Flutter is a Google engineered open source UI toolkit. Its biggest selling point is that it allows you to build beautifully native compiled applications for mobile, web, and desktop, all from a single code base. Instead of writing your app 3 or 4 times, you write it once, and Flutter allows you to deploy it to Android, iOS, web, Windows, macOS, and also Linux also. To write in Flutter, you use a language called Dart. Dart is the engine driving the framework. It's a client-optimized language also developed by Google, specifically designed for building fast apps on any platform. Give us a great balance of productivity and performance. Dart has an expressive syntax that speeds up development, but it also achieves native compilation speed. It does this by using flexible executive models like JIT, just-in-time compilation, for rapid development and debugging, and AOT, ahead of time compilation, for highly optimized production ready code. Plus, it's backed by a massive ecosystem with extensive package supported via the pub.dev repository. Now, Flutter isn't the only player in the cross-platform game. It's important to know the landscape. React Native. It is a software by Meta. I use alternative along developments to use JavaScript and share code with React Web Apps. And another one is Kotlin Multiplatform by JetBrains. Let you share backend business logic while keeping the UI native to each platform. And here we also have Swift UI and .NETM UI. And we have so many alternatives. And why to choose Flutter? First, it is completely open source with no license fees and highly transparent, community-driven development process. Second, this is the developer's favorite. It's hot reload. You can save your code and see changes instantly on your device without losing the app's current state. It makes UI tweaking incredibly fast. It's truly cross-platform, deploying to 6 platforms from one code base. It offers native performance because it compiled directly to native ARM code, completely bypassing the performance bottlenecks of a JavaScript bridge. It makes building beautiful UIs easy with massive customizable widgets library covering both material and cooperative styles. And finally, the growing ecosystem is used with over 30,000 packages on pub.dev ready to drop into your projects. If you are wondering if Flutter is ready for enterprise, the answer is absolutely yes. Some of the biggest companies in the world rely on it, like Alibaba, eBay Motors, SpaceX, Google Pay, BMW, and Nubank. Flutter development. And we'll follow this step first downloading Flutter SDK, and then add to the step files and install the IDE package and plugins that will either be useful or less trivial. Next, configure your emulator or device, and then set the box with everything is set on. Now let's get started. Now we will go to the click installation. First we will install the Flutter SDK. Then we will check, and here we are going to system setup, and setting it manually. Yeah, just try to complete it. And here you can see the basic software that are being done at 6 for Windows and an ID. First we will enter the places, your system, and download for Windows. Places, mm, install it, and then if you want anything, like this, it's the default option. So, this will just continue. And you can see the documentation here. After finishing, you can check that package installed. And if the beneficiary is practical here, without the count, yes, you want to. Then I will go to the next step of installing and watch video. Now this watches the video, and here then download the latest version and download it. Maybe the version in all the videos. This will take some time. And yes, mm, let's get started. Mm, this is what we will get to. This will follow. Things. Then the video installed. And you can skip that part. Sync dependencies are the command line tools and the Android license. The command line tools is open Android Studio and more than Google App Manager. And in the Android specific in this command line tools and dependencies plus it will take some time. It's correct. After the time that is completed, this is finished. And yeah, it is now this now I can run the this is another command line already gone. Now with the talking about the Android license. Then this command to get the this right, right, yes, 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 yes. Now all has to create the license accepted. Again, then this command. Listen. You can use it for Android version use it as for one and everything 56. You want to now open your Android Studio and click the plugin, search for Flutter and you have to install it. And you should take some time and then discard your ID. And you can see that new Flutter project. Click it, then select Flutter and here you have to give your SDK file. Your SDK file is the Flutter this this here and next. Now here you use first project. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Okay, something is to get first letter to get full details that is the counter app. Now we can just see the ability decide here as well and Chrome. You can limit and Chrome that or you can have virtual device or you can also connect your own Android device here. Previously, shipping and then running the app and then you can do this. This is in prediction time. And that can creating first step that is the counter app. You can increase the counter app and create it. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you. And if you have any queries, you can ask in the WhatsApp group.